Gurubhyo Namaha. My name is Prithvi. I am studying in 2nd standard C section. My school name is Bhaktavatshalam Vidyashram. I am going to make balloon experiment for our National Science Day. Let's start. We need one Eno packet and one bottle. We pour the water into the bottle, half water, and we put the Eno into the balloon and close the bottle's mouth with the balloon. Let's see what's happened. When Eno mixes with water, carbon dioxide gas is released. It makes the balloon to blow. You see, it's blowing. Thank you, my friends and beloved teachers. Bye.